and thanks for taking the time to join me. So I'm going to tell you the Donegal Blue Wet Dolly, or my take on it. This is it here. So I'm going to show you how to put the wee fly together. The hook and the vise is a Kamasan B175 in size 10. Ties down to a size 12 if you wish. The thread that I'm going to use is the uni thread, yellow and grey. So we'll just come in and get our thread started behind the, a couple of mil behind the eye of the hook anyway, and just work our thread forward, to the back of the hook, basically, just until your thread's in line with the hook will be ground. The rib is going to be a uni mailer in 16 silver and gold. This is just so we don't trap down as many fibres when we're winding the, or coming back up with this. Is the rib for the body hackle. So I'm just catching this in on the gold side. It doesn't have to be too neat, guys. The body's going to be dubbed, so I'm just working the thread back up and then just bring it back down and open turns nice and tight to that point there. And then the body, and some blue seals fur. In this case I'm using, this is the Donegal Blue, the actual blue colour from the traditional Irish dubbing range. It's lovely dubbing to work with. It's very similar to seals fur. That's what makes it, not boasting the quality of the seals fur either. And then the body hackle. This is a metz grade 2. This has been put through a wee bit of a blue rinse rather than a dye. So just catching in the stem of the hackle, and then we'll come in and clip away the stem, and we'll just palmer this down. Now, barbs are nice and small on this, meaning the fibres on the actual hackle itself. So 2 or 3 turns at the shoulder of the fly, and then 3 or 4 turns I like down the body to that point, keeping a hold of your tip of the hackle. Just come round with your uni mailer and the 16, 3 or 4 times up the body for the rib. Sweep everything back, bring this up in front. Now what I like to do is to take another turn and catch this in, then come in and fold the mailer back. That's the weakest part of the fly, it's the mailer in my view. Trim that away and trim away the body hackle at the back, the remainder of the hackle. Then I'm just coming in with a wee drop of Velcro and just bring out some of the fibres that you may have trapped. Then the legs. Now, I've knotted these myself, so these are just from a cock pheasant tail, dyed grey, extracted the colour from the natural, and they're dyed like a heron grey. So 2 or 3 fibres in each tail, or in each set, sorry, whenever I tied them. So just offer knees up and over the back. Now you can have your legs longer than this on your fly if you wish. Right, it's just a bit of the skin there. So get them sitting nice for us. Happy with the length. Just trim those away. Just hold the legs, tidy up over the cut ends of the pheasant tail, and then work my thread back up. Now we're looking at business. Then you're looking just 2 wings. You can use any hackles you want for this. This is just a nice Indian Cree cock cape, and I like it because it has the black tips. But honestly guys, any hackle tips will do for this. Now the length of your wings, just get these lined up. It's really up to you. I want mine coming past the bend of the hook anyway, so I'm just going to come in and hold them, pinch them, just come around with a couple of loose turns just to see what way we're sitting. Now this wee one here, just need to bring that up more. That's it now. That's nice. Just come in and hold your wing, trim away the waste, bring your thread down over the cut ends, nice and tight, and just a wee fibre, get that to come back, and bring your thread back up again. Now we're looking at the business. Then you're looking at a cock or a hen hackle in this case, and a nice blue or a nice teal blue will work for you as well. So just stroking back the fibres to reveal the tip. Just offer this up to the hook. 2 or 3 turns to catch the tip in. I'm going to fold the tip back. Just by folding the tip back, guys, just means that the hackle will have to burst. I'll not be able to pull out now. Break that away, and then we're probably going to turn and a half the 2 turns of this hackle, just depending on the quality of it. This is a cracking fly for sea trout, but it's also a good pattern for the browns. So I'm just going to follow this around with my thread, just using up the full quota of the hackle, nice and tight. Fold back the stem, and then just build up our head. Don't be shy with the head on the fly either. Just make sure your hackle's well secured in. Keeping your thread tight, break away the stem, and then just come straight in with your whip finishing tool. Now, like I say, you can leave the body hackle off this and just tie it the same way. You can have your wings whatever colour you like as well. Just hold the tips of the hackle, the wings, sorry, just to bring out the wee hackle to let you see the fly. And that's it there. That's my take on the Donegal blue. Lovely wee fly. Then we'll just come in, we coat of super glue, under the head first, let that dry, and then always a couple of coats of varnish to seal up the glue. So there you go, guys. Just going to go with that wee one there, and that's my take on the excuse me, the Donegal blue daddy with the nice wee body hackle on it. Just keeps the dressing, when I put the body hackle on, it just keeps the dressing still that wee bit sparse for you. So try a few of those, tie a few of those up, let me know how you get on. I have some other ones you want to tie. You want to tie you the silver daddy, only we're going to do it with red legs. I'm going to do a George's Gorge. I'm going to do it with these. I dyed this cock pheasant in this nice bright orange, so we'll do another few flies because I haven't done a couple of videos recently for the channel. So, but there you go, tie a few of those up, and please let me know how you get on. As always, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. It's greatly appreciated. If this is the first time watching one of my videos, please consider subscribing. It's completely free. It just helps the wee channel grow. And until the next time, guys, take care of yourselves and each other, and all being well, I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you. Bye.